This Berkshire Hathaway HomeServices Florida Realty property video is presented by Bethany Burt. Light and bright, this charming 3/2 home in Meadowood has breathtaking views of the pond and golf course. High ceilings and a spacious split floor plan make the home perfect for a couple or family. The large primary suite has direct access to the large covered porch. Nestled on a quiet street in this charming golf and tennis community where neighbors are friends. Community amenities include tennis courts, 18-hole championship golf course, 5 har-tru tennis courts, fitness center, luxurious pool complex, formal and informal dining. An affordable choice for an elevated Florida lifestyle. 2021 roof. For more information, review the details below or contact Bethany Burt at 772-766-4926.